Om Swastiastu. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Legaliang Aribaten, student of Udayana University who is studying food technology at the Faculty of Agricultural Technology. And my goal in this video is to talk about future with all of you. Yes, you heard that right, future. What does the future of this world look like in your imagination? However, if we look at predictions of future based on the present, it seems that our imaginations about future will be similar. Talking about present, life feels easier. Technology and inventions have played a big role in our daily activities. At night, we can still carry out activities because of the lights. When traveling long distances, most of us will use vehicle, not walking. Time, cost, and energy saving can occur due to technology and knowledge. However, the present also holds problems, which if left unchecked will become major disaster that will be difficult to handle. And perhaps all the possible future that we think about will not happen. What big deal is that? Climate change. Quoted from the Ministry of Environment in 2001, climate change is a change in physical conditions in the atmosphere, including temperature and rainfall distribution, which has a broad impact on various sectors of human life. For example, if in Indonesia, the rainy season starts from October to March and the dry season starts from April to September, but it turns out that the season does not match this pattern anymore. For example, in April, it turns out that it's still a rainy season, then that's called climate change. The impact of climate change is of course a serious problem because it can affect almost all sectors of life. Some of the impact of climate change including it can reducing the biodiversity because the change of habitat, and it can decreasing the agricultural and plantation production because the uncertain amount of water, and an increase in the hotter climate can increasing the populations of insects which are pests for the agricultural sectors, so it can affect the economic sectors too. Then, is climate change related to global warming? The answer is yes, but that doesn't mean the two are the same terms. The phenomenon of global warming is part of climate change, which is related to the temperature, while climate parameters does not only concern about temperature, but also the other parameters such as solar radiations and wind conditions. Global warming is an increase in the average temperature in the atmosphere close to the Earth's surface in the troposphere, where global warming can occur due to the increasing amount of greenhouse gas emissions in the atmosphere. It all seems like a serious problem, right? So, is my point in talking right now is to tell you all that in the future the Earth will not be okay? Of course not. We don't know what kind of future will come. It is possible that the future we will discover later is the dream future for all beings. A green earth, environmentally friendly technology, and a normal climate. We can still make several efforts as humans to get closer to that glorious future. An example can be started by reducing the amount of greenhouse gas emissions by implementing the energy efficiency. For example, turning off lights or other electronic devices that are not in use, or reduce using the straw or drinking from plastic bottle, or getting used to taking public transportations or cycling to save energy and reduce the air pollutions. So, thank you for listening to my talk about future. From now on, let's protect our environment, and I hope the future we will discover later is the best future for all beings.